Today, I would like to present you the brand new facelift of the Mercedes AMG GLE-53 4MATIC Plus and GLE-63S 4MATIC Plus. So let's have a look on the highlights. Come and join me. When we look at the front, we see our GLE-53 coupe with a completely new face and with the new paint solid blue. Starting with the new design front apron. My personal highlight and the most significant design change, our lateral air intakes. The newly interpreted jet wing design is even more striking and makes our 53 models look very sporty and dynamic. Above, ordered by our new headlights, our AMG specific radiator grille with vertical lamellas. Hard to miss as the AMG signature style. And on top, next to our power domes, a small but very important detail, our AMG crest. And what is under the hood? Let's have a look. Our 53 models receive our brand new engine M256M with 48 volt technology. The 6 cylinders in a row have 435 horsepower and 560 Nm torque. However, the biggest change took place below the engine cover. We did hardware and software changes, such as integrating a new charger. The result? This engine feels now even more dynamic and agile as ever before. And from 0 to 100, we make it only in 5 seconds. Our 63S models receive our well-known V8 bi-turbo engine, produced according to the principle one man, one engine. Each of the engine is giving a tag bearing the signature of its creator. With up to 612 horsepower and 850 Nm torque, it goes from 0 to 100 in only 3.9 seconds. Both our 53 and 63S models receive our perfectly balanced four-wheel drive system 4MATIC Plus.